The Duterte siblings criticized President Marcos's State of the Nation address. Vice President Sara Duterte, who's in The Hague, expressed doubt that Marcos Jr.'s anti-corruption campaign will bear fruit. Jill Sabandal is on the phone for more. Jill, what did they say?
Vice President Sara Duterte has dismissed President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.'s fifth State of the Nation address, calling it a waste of time for the Filipino people. From The Hague, Netherlands, the Vice President said she did not watch the SONA and has no plans to read, even if it's the summary insisting that it would only be a waste of time from the Filipino people. And she also cast doubt on the administration's anti-corruption drive, particularly on the controversial flood control projects, saying that despite the previous promises, no one has been held accountable.
Hindi ako nanood ng SONA like last year and wala akong planong basahin ang nilalaman ng SONA o kahit man lang summary dahil I truly believe it is a waste of time of the Philippine people.
Meanwhile, Davao City 1st District Congressman Paulo Duterte also fired back at the president's address. In a social media statement, he criticized President Marcos for showing sympathy to his cousin Martin Romualdez, while according to him, millions of Filipinos continue to suffer from poverty and rising cost of living. He also argued that the SONA failed to address the controversies surrounding the flood control funds, PhilHealth funds, and the Maharlika Fund, stressing that what Filipino deserves is accountability and justice and not sympathy for the powerful. From rejecting the president's SONA to questioning the credibility of the administration's promises, the latest statement from Vice President Sara Duterte and Congressman Paulo Duterte highlighted the continuing political rift between Malacanang and the Duterte camp, while the Vice President's impeachment trial is still pending before the Senate. Political tensions are expected to further intensify in the coming days. Just few hours ago, PPP Party List Representative Harold Duterte also issued a poetic yet thought-provoking statement saying aanhin pa daw ang lambat kung wala ng isda, at sa kabila raw ng pangako ng administrasyon, nananatiling pinabayaan ang food and security at ang sektor ng mga magsasaka at mangingisda. Back to you, Mai.
Thank you, Jill Sabandal reporting.